My name is Eva Chan. I'm a senior bioinformatician with New South Wales Health Pathology. As a bioinformatician, my job is to make sure we have accurate analysis workflows for our statewide genomic service. To really explain what I do as a bioinformatician, we've got to kind of understand how DNA sequencing works. The current technology requires that we take the human genome in the lab, we shatter it into tiny little pieces, and then we put them through the sequencer, and that would read through the bases. Our job as a bioinformatician is really to put those little pieces of shattered pieces of reads back together. What I really love about my role is when I have a analytical workflow that I've developed, and it just runs from beginning to end without breaking down anywhere. Quite a few different pathways a bioinformatician can take to become a bioinformatician. The one that I took was I did a Bachelor of Bioinformatics. I did actually learn the fundamentals of coding through my bachelor degree, but as with other things, you have to just pick up other knowledge. The difference between genetics and genomics is quite subtle. Genetics is really the field of study where we are really trying to understand the inheritance and how the genes we inherit affect our health. Genomics is really just a much broader scope, and not only the gene regions, but also the bits of the human genome where scientists are really still trying to understand what they do. I think what really fascinates me about genomics is that we are all so similar, yet we are all different. So what of the 3 billion bases of DNA that we have make us different? Typical day as a bioinformatician, or for me, I spend probably a large part of my day talking and discussing my work with my colleagues, and the other parts of my day I spend on looking and analyzing data, and also coding. The best part about working with New South Wales Health is knowing that what I do makes an impact. And I think that's what actually drew me to this role in the first place. Today, the technology really requires that we shatter the human genome. In 5 years, I think the change would be an improvement in the technology. This is just going to change the way we do medicine.